Let's play a game. I'm going to read 5 vision statements, and your challenge is to guess which vision statement belongs to which of these 5 brands. You ready? Dun, dun, dun. Here we go. Number 1, to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Number 2, to bring inspiring and innovation to every athlete in the world. Number 3, to provide access to the world's information in one click. Number 4, to be the Earth's most customer-centric company. And number 5, to create the most compelling car company of the 21st century by driving the world's transition to electric vehicles. Lock in your responses in 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. How'd you do? My guess is that you probably hit 100%. Yeah! That's because you know each of these brands, what they do, and so you can guess what their big aspirational goal or vision statement is. But what about you? In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how you can create your own powerful vision and mission statement. Let's get into it. Whew. A great vision statement tells the world where you want to be in the future. A great mission statement tells the world how you're going to get there. People get these mixed up all the time, but also there are 1,000 other variations of these types of statements. Here are some of those other names. A purpose statement, a charter statement of intent, value statement, business philosophy.
How many are there?
Operating principle, statement strategic vision, dream statement, guiding beacon, and on and on and on. And oh, by the way, please, if you are a business guru thinking of writing a new book and inventing a new one, don't do it. We have enough to keep track of already. So for the purposes of this video with me, I'm only gonna walk you through how to create a great vision and mission statement for your team, organization, and community. So to set up our talk, however, I want you to imagine you and I made a New Year's resolution to climb a mountain. Tom, how'd you know I wanted to climb a mountain? After some research, we set our sights on climbing Denali or Mount McKinley, a mountain with an elevation of 20,310 feet, way up there. Even though we knew we had so much to learn and practice before even attempting that, we made it our long-term goal to climb Denali within the next 10 years. This is our big long-term vision. That's what we need to create for your vision statement. So imagine we're setting off on a journey without knowing your destination. That's what running an organization is like without having a vision statement. Gee, I wonder where we should go today. Your vision statement is your North Star. It's guiding you towards the future that you aspire to create. It's the what of your organization story, the ultimate dream you're striving to turn into reality. I like to say, what mountain are you going to climb? And no, binge watching all your favorite shows in one sitting doesn't count as a mountain, tempting as it may be. This is a great show, I want to keep watching this. Here are my 4 quick tips to crafting a great vision statement. Number 1, dream big. Think about what you want your organization to be remembered for in the long run. Your vision should be ambitious and aspirational. Remember, it's not just a target, it's the embodiment of your entire organization's dreams and its highest aspirations. Number 2, be clear and concise. Now, while it's great to dream big, clarity still matters. Your vision statement should be easily understood and memorable. Avoid the kind of like jargon and complex language that often ends up in our statements. Simple, powerful words make the most impact. Number 3, make it inspiring. A compelling vision statement should inspire and motivate your team and its stakeholders, aka the people around you. It should resonate emotionally and create this sense of excitement. Yes! about the future. Number 4, ensure your vision aligns with the core values of your organization. This alignment ensures consistency and authenticity in your operations and decisions. Now, with these tips in mind, let me walk you through some examples of a hypothetical company called Green Tech Innovation. Their vision might be to make better fries. No, I'm just kidding. It's to revolutionize environmental sustainability in technology by creating a greener planet for the future generation. Notice how it's ambitious, it's clear, it's aligned with their values of environmental sustainability. When you ask yourself, what mountain do you want to climb? What you're really asking is, what big problem would you love to solve? Or what kind of world would you love to live in? If everything went right over the next 1, 3, 5, or 10 years, what would you have solved through your work? Some examples might be, you might have created a world in which no one is hungry. Oh, I love that. You might have created a campus where every student is respected. You might create a campus with 0 waste. You might have created an organization where our creativity has no limit. You might create a campus with 0 student apathy and everyone's engaged. Or you might have a department where everyone gets accepted to their dream job. Notice that each of these examples is broad and ambitious. You want your vision to be inspirational to the people who read it. It also shouldn't be easy to achieve. It should take a long time and might even extend past your time with the group. So some real world examples I want to give you. So Patagonia, their vision statement is to build the best product that causes no unnecessary harm, use business to inspire and implement solutions to the environmental crisis. Or Teach for All. Theirs is one day all children will have the opportunity to attain an excellent education. Charity Water, we're on a mission to bring clean and safe drinking water to every person on the planet. B&B, to create a world where everyone can belong anywhere. Here's another one from Khan Academy, a free, world-class education for anyone, anywhere. And here's from the World Wildlife Fund, to build a future in which people live in harmony with nature. Or here's my favorite Tom's, because I'm named Tom, is to improve the lives through business using our purchase power to bring about positive change in communities worldwide.
It is a lot to take in.
These examples highlight the vision statements of well-known companies and nonprofits that inspire action, embody their core values, and express a larger mission to make a positive impact in their respective fields. Notice that also the vision statements are usually less than 3 sentences, and usually most are only 1 sentence, though it sometimes is a very long run-on sentence if you ask me. Now it's time for you to create your own vision statement. Some prompts to get you started might be, the vision of our group is to live in a world where, ... One day we envision a campus that, ... Our vision is to, ... In 10 years we will have, ... Now you should have a grasp on how to create your vision statement.
Understood.
With all the information I just gave you, so let's move on now to the mission statement. Now that you're clear on which mountain peak you're going for, it's now time to figure out which path you're going to take to that mountain peak. Each mountain might have several ways to reach the top. If your vision, the mountain peak, is to give every girl in the world access to free education, then your mission, the path up the mountain, is how you are going to do it. Will you achieve that vision by building schools? Will you do it by giving away books? How about developing an app for a phone or advocating for change in the local laws? Each one of those could work. Your mission answers the how of your story. How are you planning to achieve that grand vision you have? You see, each one of these missions is a different path up the same mountain to reach the peak. So what path are you going to take? Your mission statement should closely relate to what you will do as a team in an organization. Here are some examples. At Amazon, it's to be Earth's most consumer-centric company where customers can find and discover anything they might want to buy online, although they do now have in-person stores. Starbucks, to inspire and nurture the human spirit, one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. Yep, they're in every neighborhood. Apple, to bring the best user experience to its customers through its innovation, hardware, software, and services. Disney, to entertain, inform, and inspire people around the globe through the power of of unparalleled storytelling, magical experiences, and beloved characters. You see, your mission, your vision statements, they should seamlessly align with each other. You might say, we want to see a world where, that's your vision, we will achieve this by, that's your mission. Or another example, through creating, that's your mission, we will make, that's your vision. Or here's another example, by building, that's your mission, in 10 years we will, that's your vision. So now you have those examples for the cues. Here are 4 quick tips to help you to create that great mission statement. Number 1, outline your purpose. Start by defining what your organization does, what your core activities are, and what makes you stand out. Number 2, focus on the impact. Consider the impact of your activities. How do you make a difference? What value do you bring to your customers, your community, and your world? Number 3, be specific. Unlike the vision statement, a mission statement needs to be more specific. It should detail what you do, who you do it for, and to what end. Number 4, ensure feasibility. Your mission should be achievable and realistic. It should guide your daily operations and decision processing. So there you go, you got some 4 tips. I gave you several prompts, I gave you some examples, and with these tips and examples, you now have everything to create a great mission and vision statement. I know we didn't actually climb a mountain together, but that's what it feels like when you finally get to your mission and your vision written down on paper. Because most people don't remember what they ate for breakfast yesterday, I wanted to do a quick recap. Your vision statement, the dream. Your vision is the peak of the mountain, the big, audacious, hairy goal that you're aiming for. Remember, it's about dreaming big, but keeping it clear and inspiring. It's your organization's ultimate aspiration, like creating a greener planet or empowering every individual on Earth. And then there's your mission statement, the path. Your mission statement is the path you take to reach that peak. It's more specific, more actionable, and more focuses on the impact that you make every day. It's about how you are going to achieve that dream, whether it's through innovation, customer service, or storytelling like it was with Disney. Creating a vision and a mission statement isn't just about fancy words on the website like all of these fancy words. It's about defining the soul of your organization. It's about aligning your team's compass towards a unified direction and marching together towards it. Dun, 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 here we go, towards the vision. Remember, your vision and mission should reflect each other. And if your vision is your destination, then your mission is the vehicle that gets you there. They should complement and strengthen one another, giving your team a clear sense of purpose and direction. Now, I should say, if you're at this point and you're still mixing up your mission and your vision statements, don't worry. It's kind of like mixing up baking soda with baking powder in a cake recipe. The cake is still gonna rise. Just make sure you tell people where you're going and how you're gonna get there. That's your vision and your mission. So what's next? Well, from here, we can take these action steps. Number 1, gather your team and create a big brainstorm together. Come up with the big visions that could be for your organization. Number 2, draft that brainstorm and refine a vision and a mission statement. Keep refining them, make them clear, inspiring, and aligned with your values. Number 3, communicate and implement. Sharing your mission and your vision with your team and your stakeholders lets them give you feedback. It's also going to hear how it works on the day-to-day operations. And lastly, number 4 is to review and adapt. Regularly review your vision and your mission. As your organization grows and evolves, so should your guiding statements. Leaders, remember, you're not just managing tasks, you're leading a journey towards something extraordinary. Your vision and your mission statements are the map and the compass in this adventure. So as we wrap up, I challenge you, start creating your vision and your mission today. Make them alive in your organization's culture and watch as they guide you towards success, innovation, and impact. Thanks for joining me on this journey. And if you found this video helpful, can you go ahead and give it a thumbs up and a subscribe button to get access to all of our videos on leadership and team building and team engagement. Until next time, keep climbing those mountains and paving new paths. My name's Tom. I'm here to help you to engage the people on your dance floor. I'll see you in the next video.